Have you ever noticed some of the children say L or L instead of R, right? So most of us, we find it very difficult to convert the L sound into the R sound in the early years for children between 2 to 4 years of age. So today I'm going to show you a simple 2-minute daily game that can turn the L into R without adding much of a pressure for children. So I'm Divya, you're watching Trend Brain. So let's break it down into multiple steps. So step number 1 is like we're going to work on a tongue game. So it's a wake up tongue game. You can do it for 30 seconds. If you're a teacher or a parent, you can do it a little bit more into a dramatic way. You can say that, children, today my tongue is sleepy, so let's wake up. So how do you work on that? So you stretch the tongue up behind the top teeth. Hold it for a few seconds. Repeat it multiple times. You can also make like the car sounds together, like, how does a bike start? You can go on the R sounds. The child is getting the sounds. In step 2, we are going to precisely introduce the R sound. So listen to my sound. Look at my tongue. My tongue is back, not touching the teeth. My mouth is open like a little smile, isn't it? So you're going to show the mouth posture. And your child would copy that. Okay. Now step 3 would be to replace the L with the R sound. We can use the same car trick. What's the sound that we get? Or you can use the bike trick. When you start the bike, it's going to make the R sound. But still, if the child says L, gently say, good try. But let's add the R sound first. So you can model simple examples like am, ram. Now you want to try it. So you can slowly get into 3 to 4 words every day and add to your child's dictionary. Like am, ram, at, rat, os, rose, ring, ug, rug. Every time you say that, you ask the child to look at your facial expression. So you can sit right in front of one another. You can face one another. The other simple exercise in step 4 we can do is a mirror magic. You can do this again for 1 or 2 minutes. So you can ask the child to look at you. When you say the tongue touches the teeth. You say right? But when you say the tongue stays back. Let the child watch your mouth. Repeat multiple times. Step 5 is a 2-minute daily practice. Day 1 and 2, you go with all the vowel sounds. Like if you're taking the R, you say Ra, Re, Ri, Ro, Ru. Day 3 to 5, you're going with words like rat, ram, rug, ring. Day 6 and 7, short phrases, red rose, ring bell, run fast. So keep praising. Your R sound is getting stronger with your child, right? So if you have a student who's facing this difficulty in pronouncing the letter sound R and they are replacing with the L sound, these exercises could be helping. Okay, so I'm sure that you're going to work with this with your student and tell me what happened. Okay, so thank you very much, and this is Divya. You're watching Trend Brain. Take care. Bye-bye.